Hello Smartizers, this channel is for entertainment only. Please do your own research before applying any of these principles. 6 steps to becoming a penny stock millionaire. 1. Close your eyes and imagine your future self that has already become a penny stock millionaire and see all the things that you are enjoying as your future self and feel all the pleasant feelings. 2. Start utilizing some of your future self's habits that you can afford as your now self, but feel all the big feelings as your future self. For example, if your future self is an overtipper, you can overtip once in a while and feel like you can afford it. And you enjoy giving to others in the service industry. 3. Think about a millionaire that you know personally now or a few that come in your mind first. If by default the annoying things they do comes in your mind, forgive them, appreciate them and love them, and most importantly think of yourself as one of them. 4. Believe that penny stock trading is the fast track to your financial freedom. Believe that you're going to make more conservative choices, put the effort and the hours it takes to study companies and learn from other traders, and are smarter than the 90% of emotional traders that fail in the penny stock market. Remember a few of your past accomplishments that you were afraid to get into at first, but now you are so good at, it's second nature to you. Winning in the penny stock market is the same. 5. Take the first step to keep your money safe by signing up with reputable platforms, and don't just join any websites to save a few dollars in trading commissions or to get a couple of free stocks as a sign-up bonus. We have included the top 3 best platforms for the overall best experience and maximum results for you in the description box below. Some may even give you a sign-up bonus when you use our links. Make sure to sign up with all 3 platforms because some of the publicly traded companies may only be traded in a certain platforms and not the others. Also, your transactions might take a few days to settle, and while your funds are pending, you definitely want to be able to switch between platforms to utilize the fastest possible route to close a good deal when you see one. We are obviously not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice, but you're smart enough to recognize a good idea when you hear one. 6. You need to protect your money by signing up with a good VPN website. Surfshark is a favorite in this channel, and you can find the link in the description box below. Once you find your platforms, it's absolutely crucial to take a few hours every day and research and learn. There's a lot of good videos on YouTube, especially by Timothy Sykes and Moon Market, and you can definitely learn from other traders. Join a few YouTube penny stock trading community chat rooms and interact with other traders, and get inspired every day. You can also utilize OTC Markets website and a few other websites that we have included the links to in the description box below for you to learn about the companies and their SEC filings. There are plenty of good upcoming companies you can invest in and make 10 times or 100 times or even thousands of times your initial investment in a few days, weeks or months. Again, this is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors, but one of the ways that works great is to start investing in penny stocks with a dollar amount that wouldn't hurt you if you lost it all. Then take that amount and divide it by 3. Invest a third in long-term strategies because some of the penny stock companies can cross over to the big board and eventually be worth multi-dollars per share. Take the second third and invest it in swing trading, which is holding a stock overnight, for a few days or a few weeks and even a couple of months. Investing in triple zip companies, which are the companies with the price per share amount of 0.0001 through 0.0009, is crucial. At least, in the beginning of your investment career. These companies can mature in a few months and you can literally make up to multi-1,000 times your initial investment. Keep the last third of your money aside for day trading. Remember, penny stocks prices are predominantly affected by emotions and the crowd following and upcoming promises. So follow the hype but only believe the charts and the numbers. Most importantly, study and learn anything and everything you can about the penny stock market. Definitely subscribe to our channel to take advantage of any upcoming day trading video lessons in the future. Know that you can become a millionaire overnight, but you should also go for a lot of small wins every day to have all your bases covered. Disclaimer: thank you for making your purchase by pressing our affiliate link in the description below. You have enabled us to make a small commission and made it easier for yourself to find the exact products, as we recommended. Because of your help to support our channel, we can bring you more valuable information in the future videos. Thank you.